What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Hustlepedia. Today we are going over a little bit of a market update across the board. We're going to take a look at some projects that are up, projects that are down, and a trend why I think a lot of the market's going to head more down before we get another upward trend that is major and headed back towards a miniature bull run. But I do think we will be dipping in the next coming days, and I'll go over why I'm seeing that on the charts and just what happened yesterday in the market. The mass manipulation that was going on with Bitcoin and all that good stuff. And we'll take a look at ADAX. A lot of people are fudding ADAX right now, trying to discredit their team and all that good stuff. When I have proof that, one of the most credible members has been showing face for this project, and I'll go over that. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to drop in and hit the subscribe button. We come out with new cryptocurrency and ADAX videos every single day, and be sure to hit that like button if you enjoy the video. Like I said, we come out with videos over upcoming, new, and established projects every single day, market updates, all that good stuff. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. The market's up a tick today, obviously expected after yesterday's absolute insanity. Bitcoin dropped $10,000 within an hour, which was absolutely crazy, which just shows you guys cryptocurrency is volatile, and is definitely not, it's not an up and to the right market all the time. As we see here, we're going to take a look at ADAX, $1.17 in today's market. It's actually redeeming quite well. It's up 16 cents over the last 24 hours. And over the 7-day, obviously a massive sell-off with a lot of the initial coins being able to sell from the initial offer for the private sale. A lot of those investors, the whales that got into ADAX, did sell off their holdings, causing a mass dip in the market this week. Not to mention the market took a major hit yesterday. A couple things that are still looking healthy for a small cap project is their market cap isn't taking too much of a hit. It's an unofficial market cap, as we always say. That market cap still has that $1 billion potential if Cardano's ecosystem plays out how we think it can, and that smart contracts can be executed, as they did update, by the way, guys. Launch confirmed today around 1726 UTC. We successfully submitted an update proposal to the Cardano mainnet to trigger a hard fork combinator event on Sunday. So on the 12th, we will be getting the smart contract confirmed for mainnet on Cardano. So that is big progress for any upcoming DEX, and especially ADAX. With all the FUD surrounding Cardano and whether or not they're capable of smart contracts, the one transaction per block, all that FUD that's going around, it's honestly affecting ADAX. It's affected ADAX in the market tremendously. And also affecting ADAX in the market is a lot of FUD going around about the team and saying that they're connected to fishy projects and all that good stuff. A bunch of FUD going around about ADAX. And there was a connection to someone who people said was sketchy and that nobody relevant is showing face for this project. That was some of the stuff that I've been seeing around the internet in my comments, that nobody relevant is showing their face in this project. Well, let's go ahead and take a look then. First video that I find, the second most high profile individual involved with ADAX, Mate Toke, Roger Ver's right-hand man. Mate Toke, the co-founder of Bitcoin.com, the operating COO of Bitcoin.com. Okay? This man has been in the blockchain world since 2012. Founded his first cryptocurrency media company in 2013. Met Roger Ver in 2015, co-founded Bitcoin.com. If you don't know who Roger Ver is, he is known as Bitcoin Jesus. He's an investor in various projects like Kraken, successful, Blockchain.com, successful, Ripple, very successful. These are all successful projects that he has invested in very early, and he is an early investor now in ADAX, and they are together invested into ADAX, and it makes me very confident the fact that the second most high profile individual involved in this project, okay? Let's go to this article here. We'll just take a look here. Once the project hits the market, it's vital to build a name for your brand using strategic partnerships, and ADAX has welcomed Mate Tokay, the co-founder of Bitcoin.com, as a tactical advisor and investor to the roster of collaborations and partnerships. This is absolutely huge. This is a huge pull for them in this space. They have successfully launched startup platforms in the past, and the thing about this is he is showing, like everybody out there saying like ADAX's team is sketchy. They're not showing face.
I've heard from
That's absolutely foolish. Like I said, the second most high-profile individual involved in the entirety of the project is right here, and he is firmly. He is firmly on the front page of their website, guys. Firmly on the front page of their website. Guys, I don't think there's anything to worry about the legitimacy of ADAX. This team is legit. They are working to make this DEX the best on Cardano. And I highly suggest you go to about this area and listen to Mate describe their goal with ADAX and where they are going. And you tell me if he sounds like a scam. Because with the projects that he's put together, the pull that he has, and the reputation that could be ruined if they do something with this project that either is rug pullish or obviously just like unethical. There's a lot to lose for a guy who has a lot of success and a lot of projects built, him and Roger Ver. So I will go ahead and say there's nothing to worry about this team. Go watch this video right here, and I guarantee you will feel a lot better about what ADAX is doing and the team that they have when you hear Mate describe kind of what they're going for. So I just want to kind of get over that. Guys, ADAX's team is not fake. They are real people, unlike some of these rug pull projects. So just get that out of y'all's heads, because it's been crazy in the Reddit forums, in Twitter, on my comments, on other videos. People have posted scam videos. So it's all FUD leading up to this smart contract and initiation, and it's all supporters of other coins. So just relax. I promise everything's okay. This is a long-term play, guys. ADAX sitting at $1.17, very healthy for a project that is still a month or more out from being launched, guys. Like, pump the brakes, keep holding, and we will keep you updated around the Cardano ecosystem to see what other DEX platforms should also be a part of your budding portfolio. I also want to just get into the mass manipulation yesterday. Obviously, Cointelegraph, who was selling not hodlers, the new data hints at a new crash culprit. We all know this was a manipulated move from the whales in the market based off the El Salvador news, where they adopted it as their national currency, and coincidentally so, Bitcoin goes down $10,000 in an hour. That was planned, and that's why they always say you buy the rumor and you sell the news. That the news came out that it was official, boom, Bitcoin tanks. So guys, just a heads up there. The mass manipulation in the market, I don't think is over. Look, I don't think it's over right now. You look at XRP. With a lot of news in the SEC going their way, right? A lot of news in the SEC going their way. Everyone's saying XRP is going to approach all-time highs again at the end of this miniature bull run that we're about to get into. But if you look here, it's struggling. It's struggling to get a breaking point. So it goes up here, it tanks, it goes up here. It's trying to find resistance either way. And I do think it's going to go down a bit more, guys, before it goes back up. I mean, I really think this up and down trend, the whales are having a field day with this right now. They're buying down here, selling up here, buying down here, selling up here. So how can you protect your assets? How can you look out for your portfolio? Guys, if you have dollar cost average portfolio, then you should be fine. Let it run. Most investors, that are long-term investors, don't pull on one crash. There's an average of a crash per year. So if this is going to, and May was a different type of month, but if this continues, guys, and your portfolio is well managed, you should be fine. But just so you know, I do believe that we're going to come back down here a bit before we head up to all-time highs. Just in terms of the market, if you just look at these trends on every major coin, it's the exact same, and it is just up and down, and it's struggling to find that resistance. And here starts the downward candle. We'll take a look at Bitcoin doing the exact same pattern. So we will see which way breaks resistance. I mean, if we touch like up here again, if it breaks like this point right here, then I think we could be on the upward trend. But if we get it again down here, it's going to go down a bit more before we hit that bull run that everyone has been anticipating and hyping up. But just letting y'all know, guys, that this market is not done tanking, and there might be another day worth of losses in the making this week before we get into the fruits of the miniature bull run cycle that is around the corner. So, guys, I will be back with another video tomorrow, maybe tonight, if the market is as crazy as it has been. I appreciate the support on the channel. I will be back later. Keep your eyes on ADAX. Reassure yourself on the team. Go check out this video. Their team is solid. And go look at some of these articles about the hire, really, it's not a hire, but yeah, an announcement of them getting Mate Toke and Roger Ver on board. Take a look at his actual role. He is a strategic advisor. He is involved in the project. And do a little research on the charts, guys. Watch the charts. Watch the charts. If you see a trend about to break out, you can try to make a move for yourself. I am not a financial advisor. However, this has been another Hustlepedia video. I appreciate y'all watching. I'll be back with another video next time. Peace.